Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SageMaker Feature Store for reusable features, full guide step by step clearly. To activate SageMaker Feature Store for reusable features, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SageMaker dashboard. In the left panel, select Feature Store. Click on the Create Feature Group button. Enter a name for your feature group that clearly describes its purpose. Choose a unique identifier for your feature group, which will be used to access the features later. Specify the online and offline store settings according to your requirements. Define the features to include in your feature group. For each feature, specify the name, data type, and any additional attributes. Set the data ingestion settings to manage how often data is updated in the feature store. Decide if you want to enable data transformation on ingestion by choosing the appropriate options. Review your feature group settings to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click Create Feature Group. After the feature group is created, navigate back to the Feature Store dashboard. Select the newly created feature group to view its details. You can now load data into your feature group. To ingest data, click on the Batch Ingest option. Prepare your data in a supported format, such as CSV or JSON. Upload the file to the S3 bucket specified in your feature group. Return to the feature store and initiate the batch ingestion process. Monitor the status of the ingestion to ensure it completes successfully. Once the process is finished, verify that the data appears in both the online and offline stores. Now, your SageMaker Feature Store is set up for reusable features. You can access these features in your machine learning models by querying the feature group. Make sure to document the use cases of your features for efficient collaboration. Continuously update and manage your feature groups as needed for future projects. With these steps, you have fully activated SageMaker Feature Store for your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.